This video is made strictly for educational purposes only, but what you're about to see is insane. In this video, I will show you how I built a Bluetooth jammer using an ESP32 and an NRF module. Watch closely. The moment I power up the ESP32, the Bluetooth audio instantly stops. No disconnect, no pause, just silence. You can see the song is still playing on my phone, but there's no sound coming from the speaker. Now when I remove the power from the ESP32, the Bluetooth audio comes back instantly, like magic. To build this Bluetooth jammer, you only need a few simple components: an ESP32 board, an NRF module, and an NRF adapter. If you don't have the adapter, no problem. You can still connect the NRF module using jumper wires. I'm using a small Bluetooth speaker to prove this in real time. No tricks, no edits. Now let's connect the ESP32 with the NRF module. Follow the exact wiring diagram shown on the screen. One wrong wire can break the entire setup. Next, open the link in the description to install the flasher software. This step is critical. This is the Bluetooth jammer flasher tool. Select the first option and click connect. If it says no device connected, don't panic. This is completely normal. Now plug the ESP32 into your laptop. Once it's detected, you'll see the USB serial port appear. That's your confirmation. If the ESP32 is still not detected, open Device Manager and check the port section. If ESP32 is missing, you need to install the CP210X driver. Download the Universal Windows driver from the link below, install it, and reconnect your ESP32. Now you will see the USB serial port. Click Connect. Once connected, click the Install button. You may see a warning. Ignore it and click Install. The flashing process has now started. This is where the magic happens. If you see an error, don't worry. Just restart your Chrome browser and try again. It works almost every time. The installation takes around 2 minutes. Be patient. It's worth it. Once the installation reaches the final stage, you'll see the wrapping up process. This takes about 10 to 15 seconds. Installation complete. Now let's test it. My phone is connected to this Bluetooth speaker, and the music is playing normal. The moment I power up the ESP32, the speaker goes silent. The song is still playing on the phone, but Bluetooth is completely blocked. Now I unplug the ESP32 power, and the sound instantly comes back. Bluetooth restored. No delay. If you enjoyed this project, subscribe for more crazy Arduino and ESP32 builds, and comment below what you want me to build next. Thanks for watching.